Hey, what's going on you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you completely remove email from Roblox account. Alright, so let's start. Okay, so I have my Roblox already opened here. Now what you can do is click on the cog icon on the top right corner and click on settings. Now here you notice that there is no way to remove your email address in here. So what you can do is you can change your age under 13. So from here you can change the month and you can also change the date, and most especially you can change the year. After this one, you can click on yes. And here you notice that the email address is gone. Alright, so that's it for this video guys. This is how you can remove email address from Roblox. So thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.